Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Airdrop not working issue after 17.4.1 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that they are facing an issue of Airdrop, that their Airdrop is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix Airdrop not working issue after 17.4.1 update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your compatibility. Make sure that the both devices you are trying to use AirDrop with are compatible with AirDrop. AirDrop requires an iPhone 5 or later, iPad 4th generation or later, iPad mini, iPod Touch 5th generation or later, or a Mac with OS X, Yosemite or later. Then if you simply enable your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. AirDrop uses both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to transfer files. Ensure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on for both devices. You can turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth by going to the control center and you can see the option Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If these are blue, then it's okay. But if these are gray out, then if you simply enable them. After this, then if you simply restart your iPhones. If the issue persists, so then you can do is simply restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open the settings and scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply disable your personal hotspot. If you're using personal hotspot on one of the devices, try disabling it and then attempt to use AirDrop again. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. To do this, you have to simply open the settings on your iPhone's device and tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix AirDrop not working issue on your iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.